No, Mom.
You look so pretty, Pinky.
Me.
Pinky, look, you got makeup on today.
What's in that?
You look so pretty. Go back so we can see your outfit. No, Mom. Oh my God, Pinky, look. Look how pretty you look. You look so beautiful. Say hi.
Hi.
What kind of makeup you have on?
Famous.
What?
Famous.
Lipstick? And pink ones? Wow, let's see how pretty your eyes look with the makeup. Come close. Let's see. Look at the camera, Pinky. The camera. Wow, you look so beautiful. You look so pretty, baby. You're so pretty. Who are you going to look pretty for?
You.
For me? How about Kevin, the pastor's son? Yeah? Look at me.
Hey,
It's
it's
so
my
pretty.
cute.
Your Ugg boots?
Yeah.
Let's see them. Wow, those are nice, Pinky. Wow. You're so pretty.
Ha.
Hi, you want to dance for us now? You do? Okay, cool.
Next time. Let's home. That's it.
You look so pretty, Pinky.
Yeah, can it? And I don't. I think I want to see my father. I want to see my father. I want to see my father.
You want to see your father? Your father's in the other room.
Oh, he's singing me. And I'm singing too. Me with me.
Come here. Dance now. Go over there and dance. Dance pretty. Dance nice. Go over there. That's pretty, Pinky. Dance. Go, girl. Go. It's funny for you? That was saying, hey, go like that, Pinky. The little steps, little actions. Yeah. Look at the camera. Dance. Go now. That's so beautiful. Wow. You're doing a step with your boot. Yeah. Okay. It's so pretty. Oh, wow. Nice. Wow. That's so nice. You're so beautiful. You like this song? It's nice? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.